Radical reboot? Get your personal Pathfinder map to guide you safely through the coming 365 days. Fasten your seatbelts, 2023 holds massive changes. Here's how to survive and thrive. Alert, this is forecasted to be the most extreme, status quo shaking, anything goes year since the time of Ramses III, 1162 BCE. Here's how to make sure you are fully prepared. January 29, 2023. From Rick and Liz Thompson, publishers of Cosmic Vibes. Limited time to reserve your 250-page personal Pathfinder forecast for 2023, plus read 5 top earth-shattering predictions for 2023. Dear brave soul, we are writing this quickly as we want to make sure you have a chance to get your personal forecast for 2023 created and sent directly off to you today, along with 2 free gifts, which we will tell you about in a moment. But first we want to make sure you understand why it's so important that you have this personal guide to go by this year, specifically. You see, as far as we can tell right now, the next 365 days are shaping up to bring some of the most earth-shattering changes, shifts, and complete reboots in all of human history. Here are the top 5 startling predictions that are being made, so far, about 2023, by astrologers and scientists and economists. We simply don't have the space here to put down all the huge changes and shifts that are coming up, for everyone, including you, in 2023, but I think you get the idea. So what does all mean for you? It means it's the perfect year for plotting out a radical life reboot. Special note, if you order the deluxe version of the package below today, we will ship your candle off to you with absolutely free shipping. So don't wait another minute, just press the button on the package of your preference below, and we will get your order in immediately. We want everyone who needs to know what's coming up for them in 2023 to be able to easily and affordably have access to this extremely powerful and accurate set of tools that will help you live your very best life this year. So, that's why we found a way to bring this package to you today, at an incredibly low price for everything, plus free shipping. It's pretty much the easiest decision you'll probably make today.